Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to your online class of English. I'm your English teacher from Punjab Public High School. I hope that you're all fine and doing well at your homes. So, dear students, today we are going to start our lecture number 12. But before starting our lecture number 12, let's review our lecture number 11. And in that lecture, we read about the paragraph number 5 and 6 about the Chitral Valley, about the women of Chitral Valley that they are expert in spinning and weaving, about their special dresses, and of course their head dress, which is decorated with the different buttons, shells, and beads. We also came to know that why the people of Chitral Valley called Kailash because of their black dresses that they used to wear. So let's start our lecture number 12, and in this lecture we are going to do the reading of lesson number 3, Chitral Valley, and along with this we also do the future continuous tense and negative sentences. So dear students, without wasting our time, please open your English book, page number 25. And yes, of course, students, you may have your pencils in your hand to write the meanings of the difficult words. So let's start our paragraph number 7. I'm also sending you pictures of Kailash Valley and Kailash people. मैं तुम्हें वादी कैलाश और कैलाश के लोगों की तस्वीर भी भेज रही हूँ. What are the meanings? Sending भेजना, pictures तस्वीर, कैलाश वैली, वादी कैलाश. You would surely like these. तुम यकीनन इन्हें पसंद करोगी. Write the meaning of the word surely. यकीनन, like, पसंद. You can show these pictures to your friends. तुम ये तस्वीर अपने दोस्तों या सहेलियों को भी दिखा सकती हो. Write the meanings. show, दिखाना, pictures, तस्वीर, friends, दोस्तों या सहेलियों. You can write any of the meaning. Write me soon about your summer vacation. मुझे जल्द ही अपनी मौसम गर्मा की तातीलात के बारे में लिखना. Write the meanings. Write, लिखना, soon, जल्द, about के बारे में, summer vacation, मौसम गर्मा की तातीलात, your friend, तुम्हारी सहेली, फातिमा. So students, as you can see here below, that I have mentioned some of the meanings of the difficult words like sending, भेजना, pictures, तस्वीर, surely, यकीनन, show, दिखाना, soon, जल्द. So with this, let's continue our future continuous tense negative sentences. First, let's have a look about its definition. It is used to express an ongoing or continued action which will occur at some point in future. So, dear students, future continuous tense ऐसे चीज़ को या ऐसे एक्शंस को शो करता है, ऐसे कंटिन्यूड एक्शंस को कि कोई काम जारी है और वो फ्यूचर में होगा. This is what we call about the future continuous tense. And let's have a look about its example. Like, I will be playing football. मैं फुटबॉल खेलूँगा. And its identification in Urdu is किसी भी सेंटेंस के एंड में रहा होगा, रही होंगी, रहे होंगे वगैरह आएगा तो वो आपका फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस है. So let's have a look about its formation. for the negative sentences, and its formation is as subject plus helping verb plus not plus be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. और जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है वो ये हमारे यहाँ पे यूज़ होंगे शैल बी एंड विल बी. शैल बी यूज़ होगा आई और वी के साथ, एंड विल बी यूज़ होगा ही शी इट दे यू. सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल फॉर्म्स के साथ जो है वो हमारा विल बी यूज़ होगा. बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन केस अगर किसी सेंटेंस में ज़ोर दिया जा रहा है या ज़रूरी का वर्ड ऐड हो गया या लाजमी का वर्ड ऐड हो गया, तो वहाँ पे जो हमारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हैं वो चेंज हो जाएंगे, वो शफल हो जाएंगे आपस में. लाइक जहाँ पे शैल बी आना होगा वहाँ पे विल बी आएगा, और जहाँ पे विल बी आना होगा वहाँ पे शैल बी आएगा. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल्स. एंड फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज़ वो इम्तिहान नहीं दे रहे होंगे. They will not be taking the examination. Next, second is माली पौधों को पानी नहीं दे रहा होगा. The gardener will not be watering the plants. हम अपना काम नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We shall not be doing our work. मैं एक नक्शा नहीं बना रहा हूँगा. I shall not be drawing a map. बच्चे शोर नहीं कर रहे होंगे. Children will not be making a noise. So, dear students, this is the end of our today's reading and about our future continuous tense, the negative sentences. And with this, we also have a diary, and your diary is do practice of future continuous tense negative sentences. Students, you have to make at least 10 sentences, the 10 negative sentences of future continuous tense. And along with this, you also do the reading of the last paragraph, which is on page number 25 of lesson number 3. And along with this, you also have to learn the exercise of lesson number 3. And your exercise is on page number 26. And yes, students, your exercise is solved in your notes, so you can grab your notes from your school and can learn the exercise from your notes. So with this is the end of our today's lecture. See you in next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care and stay blessed.